Hello, second grade, and welcome to another day of math. Today we're going to be working in ThinkCentral on our personal math trainer again, and we are going to be working on lesson 6.7, which is going to continue with our three-digit addition. Just wanted to show you a couple of questions that you're going to see in on your personal math trainer today, and just kind of try to give you some ideas of what's going to be happening. So over here, of course, we know with the green squares with the speaker and the sound coming out, that will read us the question if we have any questions. And it looks like it wants us to add 186 plus 195. And the first question actually asks us to
Make a new 10 blank.
Make a new 10. And it wants us to know, so I'm going to come over here by this toggle button. I'm going to press on that arrow, and it wants us to know, are we going to be making a new 10? So what we need to do is we actually need to look in the ones column, and I have 6 ones and 5 ones. If I take 6 ones and 5 ones, will I be making a new 10? Yes, I will, because it will be 11. The next question wants to know if I'm also going to make a new 100. Well, when I look in the tens column, I can see I have 8 tens and 9 tens, 80 and 90. Will I be making a new 100? Again, hit the toggle button. Yes, I will be making a new 100 as well. And then if I still have any questions, as a reminder, I can come over here to view example or step by step, and it would take me through how to answer that question. I would then put my cursor in the box and I could type in what I believe the answer's going to be. This is kind of a little bit tricky. I highly recommend that you work the question out on a piece of paper ahead of time so that when you go to put in your answer, you know exactly what your answer is going to be. Plus, you will also then be able to draw your proof picture to match. I believe the answer is 381. Put down and then check my answer.
Fantastic.
Must have done that one right. I'm going to go on to the next one. And again, just reminding you that it is places where I can read here. I can do my addition. It's going to ask me if I'm going to make a new 10, if I'm going to make a new 100. So when I look, am I going to make a new 10? I've got 5 ones in 165, and I've got 2 ones in 182. 5 and 2 make 7, so I will not be making a new 10. Am I going to be making a new 100? I have 8 tens and I have 6 tens. So I believe I will be making a new 100 there. And then I could go on. I can always hit check my answer. Try again. I forgot to do that part. Maybe I want to do that part later and come back and use my pencil again and write them out. I can always go to next down here in the bottom, and I can keep going to the next question, and I can keep practicing. So again, if you look up here at the top, it says that number 1 is done and completed. Number 2 is partially done, and I'm on number 3. Down here is where I can check my answer and hit next. All right. And just so you know, there are 6 questions total. So I just wanted to kind of take you through. All of these questions are going to ask you, are you making a new 10? Are you making a new 100? Starting on question 4, it's going to ask you if you're going to make a new 1,000. Question 5, again, make a new 10, make a new 100. Are you going to make a new 1,000? And then question 6, the same type of thing. So I don't want to spoil all your fun, second graders, so I'm going to go back actually to question 2 and finish up mine. But I would like for you to work here in ThinkCentral, work on lesson 6.7, and then I left what I'm hoping is going to be kind of a fun little activity for you to do, where you just get to make up your own 3-digit questions by rolling the dice and filling in the grid and adding up questions on your own and continuing to practice 3-digit addition. Hope that all is going well. Happy learning!